oppression and this brutality, this unfair, cruel, unkind, inhuman cases by the whites for these black people, although these blacks did not know, Nelson Mandela says, although my colleagues did not know, but it had an intended and deep and strong effect on us. And that was what produced the Oliver Tambo's. Now he gives the names of his companions, his comrades, one by one, who had fought the struggle for a long time, but now they were not alive. They were not present to see this day, this remarkable day, this historical day. He says one of them was Oliver Tambo, Walter Sislos, Chief Luthius, Yusuf Dados, the Bram Fishers, the Robert Sopoquist, and the photographs of all these six companions or comrades of Nelson Mandela are given on this page. It says that these great people, these were the impact, these were the effect of this profound oppression and brutality. He says, men of such extraordinary courage. These were the people who had extraordinary courage. गैर मामूली हिम्मत उनके पास थी, विजडम यानी वो गैर मामूली दानाई उनके पास थी, and generosity and kindness. So these people were extraordinary in their courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like may never be known again. He says that South Africa would not generate, it will not get the people of such heights again. My country is rich in the minerals. South Africa says Nelson Mandela that South Africa is rich in the minerals. There is abundance of minerals in the soil of South Africa, and gems means precious stones that lie beneath its soil. These two things are beneath the soil of South Africa. But I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people. But Nelson Mandela says that I am not proud of our gems, I am not proud of my minerals, but I am proud of the greatest people like these six people who had fought for a long time for freedom of these blacks. Finer and truer, these are the assets of South Africa. They are fine and they are true than the purest diamond. He says that these are the precious people, precious personalities. They are the treasures of South Africa. And diamond means hira, a clear and precious stone. Usually it is pure carbon. We use this diamond for cutting the glass. Now it is page 33. It is from these comrades, he says, that these companions of mine, in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. I learned the meaning of courage from these great people. Time and again, I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. He says that again, it's the time that I just give an idea of these great people who these were men and women. They took the risk of their lives, but they had an idea. They had heights of their ideas, and they fought for their ideas and achieved their goal. I have seen men stand up to attacks. He says that these people, they stand up against the attacks and torture, T-O-R-T-U-R-E, torture, तशद्दुद. ये लोग तशद्दुद के सामने, ये लोग हमलों के सामने डट कर रहे, without breaking, यानी वो टूटे नहीं. Showing the strength and resilience. इन लोगों ने एक मजबूती, एक ताकत का मुजाहरा किया. And resilience here means ability to feel quickly. He says यानी इन लोगों ने क्या दिखाया, इन्होंने हिम्मत दिखाई, हिस्सासियत. और इसका जो एडजेक्टिव है, इट इज रेजिलियंट, RESILIENT, resilient, that defies the imagination. Defy means to prove wrong. इन्होंने लोगों की तस्वुरात को गलत साबित किया. Prove wrong. We say death defies doctor. जब किसी की मौत होती है तो वहाँ पे ये जो है डॉक्टर जो है वो भी धोखा खा जाता है, उसको भी उसमें सही अंदाज़ा नहीं होता है. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear. He says ये जो हिम्मत जो इन लोगों ने पाई थी ये इस वजह से नहीं थी कि इनके पास खौफ नहीं था, बट द ट्रम्प ओवर इट, बल्कि ये लोग जो हैं इन्होंने खौफ पे फतह हासिल की थी. TRIUMPH, ट्रम्प, विक्ट्री. TRIUMPH, विक्ट्री. ये लोग जो थे ये खौफ से डरते नहीं थे, बल्कि ये लोग जो थे इन्होंने खौफ पे कंट्रोल हासिल किया था. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid. ये बहादुर वो नहीं है जो कि डरता नहीं हो, यानी न डरने वाला बहादुर नहीं होता है. बट ही हु conquers that fear, बल्कि बहादुर वो होता है जो कि खौफ पर फतह हासिल करता है. Who has victory over fear. These people are the brave men. No one is born hating another person. He says, Nelson Mandela, that I am of the view that hatred is not born among the humans because of the color of his skin. ये रंग की खाल की बुनियाद पर, खाल के रंग की बुनियाद पर नफरत जो है वो इंसान के साथ पैदा नहीं हुई है, और हिज बैकग्राउंड और हिज रिलीजन न वो उसकी जन्म से ही वो हासिल करता है या उसके मजहब के लिहाज से वो उसको नहीं मिलती है. पीपल मस्ट लर्न टू हेट, बल्कि नफरत जो है वो उन्हें सिखाई जाती है. हेट जो है इसे हम एज वर्ब भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हेट, नफरत करना, और इसका नाउन जो है वह हैट्रेड, HATRED, नफरत. ये नफरत जो है वो सिखाई जाती है, वो किसी को जन्म ही से किसी के पास नहीं होती है. दे कैन बी टॉट लव, फॉर लव comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. बल्कि मोहब्बत जो है वो इंसान के साथ खुद ही होती है, वो इंसान को फितरतन हासिल होती है. किसके मुकाबले में? देन इट्स अपोजिट. हैट्रिड के बगैर, हैट्रिड नफरत जो है वो इंसान को सिखाई जाती है, और उसके मुकाबले में मोहब्बत जो है वो इंसान को पैदाशी तौर उसके साथ होती है. इवन इन द ग्रिमेस्ट टाइम्स इट मीन्स द अनप्लीजेंट एंड डिप्रेसिव. Grim, GRIM, unpleasant. Nelson Mandela says that during my unpleasant times, during my hard times, when he was imprisoned in South Africa, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, he says that we were banned. Pushed to limits means we were banned. Nelson Mandela and his companions were banned to go out. I would see a glimmer of humanity. He says that at this very time there was a faint light. Glimmer means faint light, धीमी सी किरण of humanity, इंसानियत की थी, in one of the gods. उसके जो पहरेदार थे, जो कि साउथ अफ्रीकन, जो वहाँ की सरकार ने उसके जो पहरेदार रखे थे, तो कहता है कि उनमें भी एक धीमी सी किरण थी इंसानियत की. But it was just for a second. Although Nelson Mandela had experienced this glimmer of humanity only for a second, but it was enough to reassure me. लेकिन उससे नेल्सन मंडेला को उस बात का यकीन हो चला था, एंड कीप मी गोइंग. और नेल्सन मंडेला ने इसी के साथ आगे का सफ़र जारी रखा था. मैन's गुडनेस इज ए फ्लेम. इंसान की अच्छाई जो है वो एक मोमबत्ती है, वो एक चिराग है, वो एक शम्मा है. That can be hidden but never extinguished. कि उसको छुपाया जा सकता है लेकिन उसको बुझाया नहीं जा सकता है. It means that this humanity, it is present in every human being. Although for a second he had seen this humanity in the gods, they were supposed to ban this Nelson Mandela, but he says that this flame is hidden in humanity and it can never be extinguished. So this is enough for the day. I thank you for this lesson. I hope that all of you will be safe along your kids and kins. May God May you live long. Thanks.